In today's time, every person wants to live a luxurious life. And probably everyone knows that. For that, everyone has to work hard continuously in the right direction. But why most people can't do it? Because he or she doesn't want to step out of his comfort zone. Laziness doesn't let them move forward, due to which they are not able to fulfill their dreams. Remember one thing, the boat that is built, is made to sail in the sea, not on the shore. As long as it's on the edge, it's in the comfort zone, and the biggest enemy of not being success is the comfort zone. There is no such successful person in this world whose yesterday passed without struggle. If you are thinking that who will struggle so much, I will live a simple life, then remember one thing again, my friends, even an animal lives an ordinary life. So what is the difference between human and animal? Just nothing. What has someone said? That every kite has to go in the garbage. But before that, one has to show it by touching the sky. Whatever has made in this world is sure to end one day or the other. So why don't we touch the sky before death? Living a simple life is good. But there is no harm in living a better life than this. There is still time, my friends. Get up, walk, run, and don't stop till the goal is reached. No one is going to change your life, expect you. Just have faith in yourself and work so hard that one day your signature turns into an autograph.